Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you a brief clip taken from a long video, 1-hour video that I've just recorded for my subscribers. A video full of explanations and detailed analysis of setups that I see coming. We had already some great setups in the past week. And you can have access to the current video plus another 5 videos, fresh videos in the coming week by taking just 1 week introductory offer. If you liked further details, please stay on after the clip ends. I'll talk to you again. Wishing you a great week. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. A few general observations. I see the dollar possibly rallying in the first 2-3 days of the coming week, but be mindful a potential reversal is coming, possibly a sharp reversal midweek. I see oil continuing to correct, but still within a fairly strong bull run, so I expect it to continue higher as soon as the correction is over, and I think the correction could be over during the week. Bonds. I'm not sure that very short term the rates have topped. I think that they have possibly another week or so in a bull trend, that is in a downtrend for the futures, for the bonds themselves, but interest rate may edge higher for a week or more. Stock market remains fairly firm, and I expect it to continue higher with some corrections along the way. No major signal for a sharp reversal for now. The VIX is basically hardly moves. It is signaling a fairly high complacency, but as I've discussed last week, this is not in itself a trigger for a sharp sell-off coming. So here are the charts that I've got in this video. I've got the dollar index, I've got the euro US dollar, British pound US dollar, British pound Canadian dollar, Australian dollar US dollar, gold, silver, Brent crude, gasoline, gas oil, euro bond, USD bond, continuous chart, the TYX, the FVX, that's the 5-year notes cash chart of the interest rate, then the USD bond, that's the March 2011, long yields continuous chart, long yields March 11 contract, and then stock markets, that's the SPX, the cash, the 500 S&P, and then the S&P 400 mid cap, that's again the cash, and then the semiconductor sector index, and then a detailed look at the DAX, Italy's MIB, and I'll have a look also at the FTSE, at the cash chart. Okay, let's British pound Canadian dollar. If you remember my analysis from last week, I was talking about a triangle. There is a very long-term wave count here. I won't go through all of that again, but we are in possibly a 4th wave triangle that is going on now for a long time and is likely to continue for quite a long time. But I think it's pretty instructive in the sense that we had A, I think we had B, we had a first leg up A. Don't forget that's the daily, going back here to May last year. That's an A, and I think we're doing the B now. And it does look like a B. Let me show you. That's the daily. You can see we have here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. That looks very much like a consolidation. Very much like a consolidation that would lead for higher prices. So I think that is an A, B, and that's down a C. The C is not done. I would expect it to continue lower towards 156.50 or 157 in this area. I would expect this level to hold, and then I think it's going to run up. So you may find some help actually from this this currency pair if you are trading the pound US dollar. Look, I think that is an A. That's a B, and you see it's coming down in the C, and it's possible we have further legs coming. Let me see. Let's take a 15-minute chart, and you can see the C here. It's quite possible either this is a 1, 2 with all of that being 1, 1, 2, 3. We're working on the 4th, coming down in the 5th. That doesn't look like the end of the move. Definitely not. That is not the end. I think if you see a small triangle here, prepare yourself. It's going to plunge further. And that may terminate the entire run that began from here. That will be time to reverse. Australian dollar, US dollar. Well, what can I say? I am pretty pleased that my triangle idea is coming along. This is daily, going back to September. I don't know if you traded it or if the analysis here was helpful for you in case you traded other things that relate to it. But don't miss the huge message that this chart is providing us. This chart, one of the major currencies that correlate with commodities and basically the bull market that we are seeing across the board in all the commodities and the firm prices that are still we're still seeing in the precious metals. This forex pair with the pattern that I'm showing here is a very important message. The very important message is that we are basically in a correction, in a stop, rather than a stop and a reverse. We are in a stop that would lead for higher prices in commodities, higher prices also in this currency pair will head a lot higher. Basically, the way I see it, I think it is another signal, if you like, in a whole string of signals that are pointing for inflation, high inflation coming. And it is very important. If you spend some time, I think you'll get a lot of information from this chart. Look at the time scale. This is really important, in my opinion. If I am hitting this right with the triangle here, this is immensely important because of the time scale. You see, this is has been going on here November, December, January. I think we are not through with February. It's not going to be through. Look, we've still got the C, D, E. This could carry us all the way back to June, to carry us forward to June. Maybe by then this will be done, and then we'll get a surge up. Can you imagine the power of the information that you could use by having here a triangle shaping up over 6 months or longer, perfectly looking triangle here, and then the shot beginning up? Can you imagine what you can do with that? I think this is a fabulous situation here. We'll keep tracking it closely, and if it comes along with that triangle, I think we will be in a pretty good situation, take advantage of a lot of other markets that relate to it. So right now we had the A, the B. That's an A coming down, that's an ABC, that's B, and the C is coming down. Now, I had a thought that despite this very nice proportion that I'm showing you here, in fact, the Australian dollar doesn't have time for that. Doesn't have time. It is busy. It wants to go higher. It is possible that will turn into an A. That's B. That'll be a C. That'll be a D right here. It'll sort of muddle through here. Will not fall under 98. If it doesn't fall under 98 and it continues to muddle through here, it is quite likely that in fact the triangle is going to correct at higher level and will be shorter than I am showing here, and in fact would run up also quicker. Let's try to see the 60 minutes. So that is the top of the move, the ABC, and now we're looking for a down move to give us the C. Okay, that is the B. We're looking down for the C, and the way I see it here, I would doubt that this is the end of the downtrend. I don't have a firm wave count for you here. It's quite possible this is a 1, 2, and that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 3. We're working on the 4th. That is a pretty reasonable wave count. I do expect this currency pair to come at least to touch 99, 98, 60, this area. And then we'll see what pattern it is creating here, how fast, how sharp the reversal is going to be, or we're going to get a corrective price action here, which will be fairly telling about the next move, which I think will be down. Hello again. If you like some further information about my website, my services, all you have to do is click on home at the page which you are right now. That takes you to the home page of my website. I have a page on Twitter. You are welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you'd like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word by all means. I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly it's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions. That's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.